Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. The year 2020 has taught us the importance of healthy food habits, and I'm sure weight loss is in the new year goals of many. But trust me, eating healthy and weight loss can be made interesting and tasty too. Let's make a healthy salad with a tasty twist. Before that, I would like to showcase Mrs. Sudha Kumaran's Aarthi plates, which can be hired or purchased. The wedding Aarthi plates make a beautiful decor to adorn the festivities. They can be ordered and custom made to suit your budgets too. These lovely plates can be used to decorate your Navratri Golu also. They make ideal gifting options for functions like housewarming. I have shared her contact details in the description box. Do check out, and if needed, you can place your orders. Now to our yummy salad for weight loss. I have taken a cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 cup of chopped apples, 1 cup of chopped pear, 1 chopped capsicum, and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Salt to taste, half teaspoon jeera or cumin powder. The jeera should be roasted and made into a powder. Half teaspoon chaat masala, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, and the juice of half lemon. In a large mixing bowl, let's add the boiled sweet corn, chopped apples, pear, capsicum. You can add pomegranates and other fruits of your choice also. You can also add 1 finely chopped raw onion if you like the taste. Mix these well. Add the needed salt, half teaspoon of the roasted jeera powder. This improves digestion. Quarter teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Coriander leaves are rich in fiber and iron. Mix these well. This salad can make a meal by itself. It will keep hunger pangs away, and regular consumption of fruits and vegetables not only helps boost our immunity but also helps in weight loss. To add to the taste, let's add the juice of half a lemon. As we are adding the lemon, it balances the taste and the apples also don't turn brown. This can be chopped and refrigerated. They can be packed for lunchbox, or they make a great low calorie evening snack. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for new uploads. Do check out our other recipes for boosting your immunity and home organizing also. Share your feedback in the comment section. Stay tuned for more healthy and easy recipes. Till then, bye.